Hello, and a huge welcome back to English Listening Step by Step. I'm your guide, Chloe, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey. We're going to master the essential English you need for seamless travel from the moment you step into the airport until you check into your hotel. This session is specifically designed to make you feel comfortable and confident in any travel situation. We've meticulously curated 50 essential phrases structured using our proven step-by-step practice methodology. You will find that the sentences start short and simple, focusing on single transactions like, I need a passport, and then smoothly grow into longer, more natural dialogues, such as, could you tell me where the baggage claim area is located, please? This intensive listening practice method trains your ear to the fast rhythm of the airport and trains your mouth for clear communication. Remember, the goal is not just to understand, but to automatically shadow the sound and rhythm. Find a quiet place, put on your headphones, and let's start our journey to confident travel. Are you ready for takeoff? Let's begin. I need my ticket. I need my ticket. The flight is delayed. The flight is delayed. Where's gate B10? Where's gate B10? I have one suitcase. I have one suitcase. My passport is ready. My passport is ready. I need an aisle seat. I need an aisle seat. My baggage is heavy. My baggage is heavy. Please check my carry-on. Please check my carry-on. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? I need a boarding pass. I need a boarding pass. Do I need to remove my belt? Do I need to remove my belt? The line is moving quickly now. The line is moving quickly now. Is this flight on time today? Is this flight on time today? I am traveling alone this time. I am traveling alone this time. Here is my reservation number. Here is my reservation number. Can I have a blanket, please? Can I have a blanket, please? My seat does not recline. My seat does not recline. Could you bring me some water? Could you bring me some water? I would like the chicken option. I would like the chicken option. How long is the flight duration? How long is the flight duration? Is there a charging port here? Is there a charging port here? Please wake me up for the meal service. Please wake me up for the meal service. We're landing soon. Please fasten your seatbelt. We're landing soon. Please fasten your seatbelt. Could you help me put my bag up? Could you help me put my bag up? Thank you for the excellent service today. Thank you for the excellent service today. The turbulence is not too bad now. The turbulence is not too bad now. Where is the baggage claim area? Where is the baggage claim area? My suitcase did not arrive on the carousel. My suitcase did not arrive on the carousel. I need to report my lost luggage immediately. I need to report my lost luggage immediately. This is my final destination country. This is my final destination country. I am visiting for 2 weeks only. I am visiting for 2 weeks only. What is the purpose of your visit here? What is the purpose of your visit here? I am here for tourism and sightseeing. I am here for tourism and sightseeing. Where will you be staying in the city? Where will you be staying in the city? I have a hotel reservation near downtown. I have a hotel reservation near downtown. Do you have anything to declare to customs? Do you have anything to declare to customs? I only have personal items in my bags. I only have personal items in my bags. This visa is valid for 3 months, correct? This visa is valid for 3 months, correct? Could I please see your yellow fever certificate? Could I please see your yellow fever certificate? I will be traveling to different regions of the country. I will be traveling to different regions of the country. Excuse me, how can I get a taxi from the airport? Excuse me, how can I get a taxi from the airport? How much does it cost to get to the city center? How much does it cost to get to the city center? I need a receipt for this transportation expense. I need a receipt for this transportation expense. Please take me to the Hilton Hotel address. Please take me to the Hilton Hotel address. I have a reservation under the name Chloe. I have a reservation under the name Chloe. What time is checkout tomorrow morning? What time is checkout tomorrow morning? Is breakfast included in my room rate every day? Is breakfast included in my room rate every day? Could you recommend a good local restaurant nearby? Could you recommend a good local restaurant nearby? My key card is not working. Could you reset it for me? My key card is not working. Could you reset it for me? Thank you for your assistance. I appreciate your service. Thank you for your assistance. I appreciate your service. You have successfully completed our journey. You have practiced 50 high-frequency travel phrases, moving from simple requests to complex dialogue. You trained your ear for quick airport announcements and your voice for confident hotel check-ins. This rigorous step-by-step practice is crucial for boosting your English listening comprehension and your spontaneous speaking practice. The secret to confidence is repetition. Come back to this video anytime you plan a trip or just practice daily to make these phrases automatic. The more you listen and repeat, the closer you get to true fluency. Thank you for joining me on English Listening Step by Step. I'm Chloe, and until next time, keep practicing and safe travels.